Welcome back again to Playdays Collectibles channel from Whittier, California. And today, of course, is Sunday, November the 1st, 2020. Safety first. And get better, Priyan. Got your car here, still filling up with some lucky pennies from heaven. Got one more penny added to your pile of, I think, how many pennies are in here? Let me see. I think it's 4 pennies. This one will be 5. Hopefully you get better, okay? Pretty sure the doctors are going to release you soon. And good luck. Prayers for you and your family. Anyways, everyone, let's check out, see what's inside this awesome box. Safety first, like always. Alright, let's be careful. Hopefully you guys are doing great. Let's take out my safety cone out of here. And let's see what's inside this cool box. Let's do it. Oh yeah, I see some goodies in here already. Look at that. This is some Disney stuff right here too. This is the Guardian of the Galaxy, Star-Lord. Never knew they made a car for him. Look at that. That's weird. This is from Disneyland too. Came out probably, well, 2014, so it's pretty old. Alright. And here's Chewbacca. Look at that. It has a face on top. This is funny. Alright, here we have another one. It's called R2D2. It's a car too. Look at that. It has wheels on it. Alright. Here we have Darth Vader. Die-cast metal body race car. Ooh, looks scary. Look at that. Alright, here we have Groot. Hey, that looks scary. I don't know. Groot. And here we have Rocket Raccoon. That's pretty cool. Awesome piece. Look at that. Alright, let's go to the next one. Indiana Jones. Hey, this is a pretty cool one. I never seen this one. Get the hat right there. Check it out. Look at this cool box right here. Alright. Let me see. What do we have in here? This is Audi R8 LMS. Look at the nice detail. Who makes this? Para. Pretty cool. Look at that. It's 2 different colors, I think. Let me see. Let's put this on the floor. There's a different color scheme. It's like Canada scheme or something. That's pretty nice. Look at that. Nice detail. Audi R8 LMS. Pretty cool. And then this one has the Japanese logo on it. That's pretty awesome. Audi R8. Alright. See what else do I see in here. Let me see. This is a, wow, what is this? Lincoln? Oh, it's a BMW X7. Pretty cool. Got a nice detail on it. Wow, this is nice. Awesome piece. I think it's the same thing over here. They have 2 different colors, I guess. And black. Look at that. BMW X7. Awesome piece. From Para. 64 Para, I guess that's what they call it. See what else is in here. Oh yeah. Look at this. This is awesome too right here. This is a, wow, Mitsubishi Motors GTO 3000 GT. You guys ever seen that one? I remember seeing that one on the streets. Pretty cool. Check it out. I'm looking for mosquitoes too. I don't want them to bite me. And there's another one right here. Same color. Another one right there. And this is another one in green with Puma on it. It's a 3000 GT. Kind of looks like a Supra. You guys agree with me? Pretty awesome. Alright, see what else? Another one. Another one. Let me see. Oh, this one's nice. LBWK BMW i8. Whoa, this is nice. Look at that. Nice color. Army color. With Japanese logo, I guess, on the side. This is awesome. I like that. It's all the same. Here's a BMW i8, different color, orange, like a pumpkin. Alright, let's go to the next ones. 51st. Oh, wow, there's more of the other cars. The R8, pretty cool. Alright, awesome. Here we have the Mercedes AMG. Wow, look at this nice detail on it. That's pretty cool. Ooh, more of the Audi R8. Audi R8. And Mercedes AMG. Pretty good detail on it. Cool. Here we have another Audi R8. Different paint scheme. Pretty awesome. Nice rear tail. Front. Pretty cool. And what else do I see in here? Audi R8. AMG. So we saw that already. Alright, let's see what's in here. Never know. Safety first. Use a nice razor blade right here. Alright, let's check it out. Safety first. It's pretty cool. Look at that. The Shelby Collectibles 68 Shelby GT 500 KR convertible. I never seen a pink one. Have you guys? Wow, this is pretty cool. And there's 3 pink ones. Here's a Shelby Cobra CSK 2000 in blue. Okay, what else? Here's another one, Shelby Cobra 427 SC. Look at that nice detail. Nice. Here we have a 1965 Shelby GT 350R. Wow, this is nice detail. I'm gonna open one for myself, one of each. Here we have a Shelby Cobra 427 SC. Well, this is nice stuff. Let's see what's in here. Let's see, I like sealed boxes. You never know what's inside of these boxes. Alright, let's see. Safety first. Alright, let's check it out. Open up, open up. Uh-oh, too hard. Try it again. Alright, let me see. Oh, what is this? Let's check it out. Let me see. Oh, Aston Martin DBR1. Looks tiny. Pretty cool. Alright, let's check out another box. Check it out. Safety first. Alright, let me see. I made a mess again. Oh wow, I like these too. Definitely one for myself. One of each. This is a Shelby Cobra 427 SC, Shelby Collectibles. Pretty awesome. Another Shelby. And a 65 Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. Look at that. That's very nice detail on it. The doors open, the hood, little tire in the back. Should we make one breathe? Let me see. I'll think about it. Another 65 Shelby Cobra. Shelby GT 350R. That looks pretty decent. Alright, let's open. Which one do I like the most? I'll open this one. Look at this. All this mess that I made. Oh my god. Alright, let's open one up. Let them breathe. Why not? Why not, right? We only live once. And I'm only a kid once. Alright, come out and play. Come on, buddy. Get out. Uh-oh. Looks like it has like some kind of plastic on the bottom. Let me see if I could open it with one hand, okay? Let's see. Open up. And let me see. Alright, I think I almost have it. Almost have it. There it is. Oh, tape got stuck to my finger. Oh, that's why it's hard. Because it has this little wire right here. Okay, let's see. Let's open it up. Come on and play. Come on, buddy. Alright, there it is. It's a lot of packaging just for a small, tiny car. Alright, let's open it up. Take these off. Alright, take the wire off. Let's see. There it goes. Look at that beautiful paint job. Let's close the doors. Wow. So much detail on this tiny car. Right, let's do a test run. Safety first. There it goes. Whoa, that was fast. Well, thank you everyone for checking in. And have a nice Sunday, everyone. Have to clean up this mess to keep the store clean for tomorrow. And I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna open one of these each for myself, and I'm gonna have fun. Get better, Pian. Talk to you later, or all of you guys. I think I'm getting the cop or something. Anyways, later. Adios.